Hey guys, welcome to my first studio vlog. Today we're putting together this Grammercy cart from Michaels. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to share my struggle bus experience putting this together. However, it is amazing and I absolutely love it. I use it every single day for my packaging materials and it is a lifesaver. So let's put it together. Hey guys, sorry it's a little noisy. I'm cutting on my silhouette. It's loud. I'm getting ready to put together my Grammercy cart from Michaels and I am so excited. So I wanted to take you guys along. Let's put it together. This is the cart that I got. I got it in white and I am really excited to use this for my packaging station. Let's see how this goes. This looks like one of the drawers. Off to a good start. Clever. Oh. Ah. Comes with a little wrench. Here's all the hardware and weird looking plug things. Cute little tray, cubby thing. We've got some, what I'm gonna use probably for washi tape. And another one. Oh, a whole bunch of them. Take them out later. Two long things. And this drawer. So those are all the accessories. Alright, well, let's read the directions first, shall we? Assemble on a soft level surface to avoid damaging the unit or your floor. Let's just bring back in that bubble. There. Okay, so we are starting with the long U-shaped pieces. One goes out like this. The other is going to go out like this. And we are going to attach the casters. Oh, that's an upper body workout for sure. All right, now we need to somehow attach these. Okay, and we've got a base and we're moving. Next step is to attach these with the funky little black things and the screws. I don't think it matters what drawer's on the bottom, but I do want all the seams to go on the same side. Is that weird? I don't think so. Put this in at an angle. Really? Is it supposed to be that tight of a fit? Oh, did I just break it? Are these different sizes? Is one of them bigger? No, they're the same size. But yeah, it likes to slide in. Wait. Okay. Alright. Don't breathe. Seriously? That big thing squeezes into that little hole? What? What are you trying to show me? Oh, no. Okay. Just the screws. Right? Okay. So then where do these go? Oh, on here? That would be weird. Oh. Yeah. Never mind. These don't go in the holes. Just the screws. Okay. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. To the right. There. Got it. We've got a shelf. 2 more to go. Oh, do I have to get up now? I'm not sure if I like the fact that I have an extra screw. Like, is it supposed to be that way or is it missing? I'm pretty sure I got all of them. Now comes the fun part, putting the side stuff on. So now according to the instructions, we are to unfold this guy and hang it over the edge. Okay, got it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I'm dropping these little guys. We take these and pop them on here like this. 2 on each one, and then total of 4 on the top. Now we get all these goodies to play with. What does that go to? What are those for? So we can configure it however we want, but just for giggles, let's follow their configuration. This goes up here, and then these go this. The basket, this little one, this goes over here. I don't know why we have 2 of these. Do they both? Do they both go on here? I don't know what this is for. What is that for? It just shows 1, but I don't see where the other one goes. Is that like another replacement part? Okay, and then on this side, we've got this basket. Shows this one on the bottom. Oh, here we go. Here's the other one. This is where the other one goes. So I think washi tape maybe on these, or packaging tape. Let's check out the pictures and see what they've got on there. Okay, boom. Oh, one more. Got one more of these guys. Cool. So here is a little tour of the finished product after I got everything on it. I have my Misfit stickers in the top. These are what I put together, my Mystery Misfit sticker packs. I have some sticker pack backings and tumbler care cards in here. These are some extra business cards. I have my glassine bags and rigid mailers. I have my thank you cards as well as a whole bunch of envelopes, my packaging stickers and return address labels, and just miscellaneous stickers that I still need to cut out. I have some large logo stickers from Sticker Mule. I have some packaging tape from Sticker Mule that I got custom made, which I love. I have my husband's jewelry business stuff down here, his care cards, his logo stickers. I have some extra vinyl decals that I use for my packaging. This is a sponge and a 3D printed tray. We also have some tissue paper down here, and then I have some crinkle fill that I use for our packaging as well. On the side, I keep some of my business cards here. I keep my sticker bags right here for my packs and my single stickers. And then I have washi tape galore. I have more, I just haven't put it all out yet. And then on the back side, I have this really long packing paper in case I need to use that. I love this side because it is kind of like for gift wrap. If you had tall rolls of gift wrap, it fits really well in there. And then there's extra little hanger things, and I could put this one up and move this one down if I wanted to. I like these little bars because they come off really easily, and you can put ribbon or washi tape or whatever on here as well. And then I've just hung a little bag on the side for small packaging items that I get that I might want to reuse. So that is a tour of my Grammercy packaging cart. It is another day and I am a hot mess, but I just wanted to get that finished up for you and give you an outro because my camera died when I was trying to finish the filming. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. This is my first studio vlog, and if you liked it, let me know in the comments so that I can be sure that I upload more for you. Until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye!